Rome wasn't built in a day, unpacking a timeless phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's packed with history and wisdom. Rome wasn't built in a day. This saying is not just about a city. It's a powerful lesson in patience, perseverance, and the value of hard work over time. Stick around as we explore the meaning, origins, and how you can use this phrase in everyday English conversations. At its core, Rome wasn't built in a day is a reminder that great things take time to achieve. It tells us that significant accomplishments cannot be rushed and require consistent effort and patience. This phrase can be applied to learning new skills, building relationships, or any long-term goal. It's a nudge to keep going, even when progress seems slow. This proverbial expression alludes to the vastness and complexity of ancient Rome, a city known for its architectural marvels, such as the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Pantheon. Rome's construction spanned centuries, embodying the essence of gradual, sustained effort leading to greatness. The phrase itself has been used in various forms since the medieval period, reflecting a universal truth recognized across cultures and eras. You can use "Rome wasn't built in a day" in many contexts. Encouraging patience. When someone is frustrated with their progress, remind them that Rome wasn't built in a day. Reflecting on progress. In discussing personal achievements or the development of a project, this phrase can highlight the journey's value over the destination. Motivating others. It serves as a motivational tool, encouraging persistence and long-term effort. To help you better understand how to use the phrase, here are a few examples. I know you're upset that you haven't mastered English pronunciation yet, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. We've only just started our business, and while progress is slow, Rome wasn't built in a day. We'll get there with consistent effort. Seeing the improvements in my fitness level reminds me that Rome wasn't built in a day. Every small step counts. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, Rome wasn't built in a day. We hope this video not only enriches your English vocabulary but also inspires you to appreciate the journey towards your goals, no matter how long it takes. Remember, every big achievement starts with the decision to try and the perseverance to continue. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Feel free to share your thoughts or any phrases you'd like us to cover next in the comments below. Happy learning!